And also here is apa Penasaran Beach.
Penasaran?
Yeah,
It's
yeah, Penasaran Beach.
Is it the spelling? Is it the spelling? Penasaran?
Uh,
Penasaran.
Penasaran Beach.
Where is it located? Where is the beach located?
In after Eni, sir. After Eni, yeah. After Eni Beach, there is Penasaran Beach.
Enu. Do you mean Enu?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have been to Enu.
Beach, Penasaran Beach.
Yeah. On the way to my hometown Toli, I passed by
Yeah, you,
Enu and the coast western coast. Yeah. The coastal area in the western part of Sulawesi. Central
only
Sulawesi.
5,000. If we enter the area, we only we only pay 5,000, sir.
Oh.
5,000 rupiah.
It's not free of charge, eh? The visitors must
But
pay.
if you want to use what we call gazebo, we have to pay 250.
If you we can rent a gazebo, yeah. We can rent a gazebo, and it costs how much does it cost?
50 to
100
250. Yeah.
per night per
There's so
per
many
hour
people here.
per.
Beach.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
What kind of foods and drinks are offered in the tourist destination area?
Yeah. Mostly it's the same as in Palu. There are binte, there are ikan bakar, yeah.
Grilled fish,
Great also, and there is also
corns, what?
yeah, noodle me.
That's very, very interesting. Yeah,
The food,
fascinating.
yeah, the food is the same as in Palu, sir.
Oh, very
But
similar,
the view
eh?
is different.
Yeah, the foods are very
There is
similar. Yeah, Hutadada. So we can find Hutadada, Kelo, Kaledo,
Ada also, sir.
Penja, Rono, Tapa. Okay,
Yeah. Kailinas.
I see. Are you Kailinis? Are you yourself Kailinis?
Yeah, I can.
Very good. Thank you.
Kailinas.
Thank you. Setianingsi. Hi, Setianingsi. Where are you now? Where are you
Hello,
from?
sir.
Yeah. Where do you live now?
So I am in Toboli. I live in
Toboli. Toboli is very famous.
Yes.
Yeah, for
With lava.
Toboli. What do we call? La Lampa Toboli. Tell us about La Lampa Toboli.
Lava.
It's very famous for that.
Yeah. Okay.
You talk about
so
tourism industry.
actually,
Yes, please go ahead.
tourist industry. So actually, I married someone in Toboli. That's why I live in here.
Oh, your husband
Actually,
is from Toboli.
Yeah, I am Tinombala. I was born in Tinombala. My
Oh,
husband was
you must be
also
Java or Sunda, yeah?
from University of Tulaco.
You must be Java or Sunda.
I am Japanese.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, used to be what transmigration area in Tinombala. Yeah, I see.
My
So,
face explains
so now you live in. Do you sell La Lampa? Any of your relatives or family, or your maybe
Yes,
distant
my
relatives?
many of my husband's relatives sell La Lampa.
La Lampa
So La Lampa is
along the street, ya?
very famous.
Along the street, sepanjang
La Lampa
jalan
Street,
itu ya.
La Lampa Street. Even the street is becoming the tourist attraction,
Yeah.
destination for some people.
Yeah.
And then we not far from Toboli is famous also, especially in Central Parigi Tengah, durian petapa. Have you ever eaten durian petapa, sir?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Local durian. So it is, yeah.
Durian, Parigi durian is very famous.
Durian
Yeah.
from Parigi.
Yeah, the flesh is
Yes.
very, soft and the flesh is very sweet. Yeah, soft,
Yes.
sweet, and
Flesh is
thick.
very sweet.
It's very thick with small seed.
Yes.
The seeds are very small.
Small skin.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
The flesh is so thick.
once I was
Okay, and
deceived.
then-
I was deceived by the durian seller. I asked him, where are the durians from? And then he said, these durians are from Parigi. So I said to him, must be yummy, must be because durian Parigi is very famous. And then he said, yes. I bought two, and then when I got home, I try to eat the durian, and then I had to be disappointed because it's not durian Parigi, it's a fake.
Oh,
Yeah, do you know fake?
fake durian.
Fake durian Parigi.
Yeah.
So I was deceived. I was fooled.
Inshallah someday.
Yeah.
And for cultural tourism, so
Yeah.
here usually some events are held to show some cultural tourism attraction. For example, like Seltomini Fest. Lately, after Idul Adha, local government held Parigi Utara Expo, Parigi Utara Fest. So at that time,
Festival,
the vice governor Ibu Renila Majido came here and opened the event officially, and then she tasted the lalampa, not only lalampa as usual, but lalampa in new variant, that is lalampa with chocolate in it.
very interesting. Yeah.
And some other guests.
Yes.
And then also Seltomini Fest is one of the Karisma event Nusantara. So inshallah it will be held annually, routine. And then also there is also Gapiri Fest. All of the fest is to show that the traditional dances or maybe the theater using local language, and it is still frequently held here, especially for traditional dances when there is another guest coming here, it is frequently welcomed with traditional dances. And fortunately that my husband is also someone in Dinas Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan, and he has also a community here, namely LPSB Kailinesia. That's why I am also very attracted with the traditional dances. The bad side that I can't dance. That's
Okay, I see.
fortunately. Yeah, but I like the children learning to dance traditional dances. And also song, local song, traditional song using Kailinese language. So if I'm not mistaken, in 2 years ago, maybe the government here held the competition to to create a local song, traditional using local language, and my husband also one of the winner. So they
Really? Okay, interesting.
created a language, a song using local language.
Local
So
language,
it is one
to
of-
promote the local language.
yeah, and it was entitled Lalapa Toboli also.
So the festival was named Lalampa Toboli Festival Song contest. So song contest.
The festival is Lalampa Fest, but
Where was it?
It was entitled Lalampa Toboli.
Excuse me, the venue, the location, the venue. I mean, or location. Where was it held? In Seltomini venue or somewhere else?
Yes, for Sertomini Fest in Sertomini venue, and then for Gambiri Fest last year it was held in Taman Masigi.
Very
That
interesting.
is becoming Taman Hasan Bahaswan in
Yeah,
Parigi,
Hasan Bahaswan
Masigi,
is
Parigi.
A very
Yeah.
famous what?
But for
Musician.
Parigi Utara Expo it was held in Toboli, in bekas tempat timbangan mobil lalu.
I see.
Timbangan.
I see.
Yeah, we call it timbangan here.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Perempatan Lalampa. And then for adventure tourism, here there is Likunga Valley Waterfall that it is already well known for its dinding tebing. Yeah, for those who are
Wall climbing,
who have high interest in climbing.
Yeah, climbing the hill, the wall.
The wall,
Wall
yes.
climbing.
We have also Makakata Island, Toraja Beach, Nalera Beach, Rakata Beach and Polindolara Beach in Parigi Tengah, Parigi Kucing in Panantale. It is near with Toraja Beach, the Toraja Beach, and then Tugu Galus Katulistiwa in Ogomojolo Waterfall in Ogomojolo, Palasa. So we have also Taman Masigi that is Bahaswan in Parigi. And we have also Pantai Mahesa. Yeah,
In Mahesa?
In Saturday afternoon we often spend our time with family there. So you may eat in the in the side of the beach, in the side of the beach. And also there is also Baturiti Waterfall, but it is in Balingi, if I'm not mistaken. Balingi
In Bali.
or in Tolai.
Tolai in
Yeah.
Bali,
Balingi.
Balingi.
That's it, sir. Balingi, Balingi, Baliase, Baliara.
We have many Balis,
But fake Bali.
We have many Balis in Central Sulawesi.
Yeah. Someday, inshallah, I would like to invite you, sir.
Thank
and
you
also
very much,
all of our friends.
I often visit Parigi. My sister-in-law lives in Parigi. Her husband works for hospital, medical doctor. He's a general practitioner, medical doctor, not general specialist, doctor. And he works for Torabello. What's the name of the hospital? And my sister-in-law used to work for BRI Bank BRI. But she resigned, and now she's in Palu. She lives in Citraland. Looking after her children. Her children go to school here.
So
in
she's
Palu.
not in Parigi anymore.
Her husband still in Parigi, Dr. Nahir. What do we call? We don't have the word in English, but in bahasa Indonesia we call we call brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Tapi kalau if your sister-in-law married someone else, and then we call I don't know in English. Yeah.
It's complicated, really.
Yeah, it's different from besan. Lago, yeah. In Indonesia we call lago.
Lago.
Lago is different from in-law, yeah.
When they say in Lago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, very interesting, Setia Ningsi. You told us lots of. You share your experience on local tourism. Well, we need to talk about local content, contextual. Yeah? If we talk about tourism industry, we talk about tourism. It's not only global context, but we have local context. We have foreign tourism, global tourism, overseas, we have local, domestic, domestic tourism industry. It's more contextual. Yeah. Very interesting. Indonesia is rich in culture, in food, beautiful views, etc. Lots of for tourism industry. Thank you very much for sharing your experience and your knowledge. I think they are very valuable and inspiring. Thank you. Those who are in the Zoom room, now back to the classroom.